Good morning, y'all. Hope you had an outstanding Christmas. It's been snowing here a ton. So we gotta go down, do a little grocery shopping, just get some stuff from the local market and whatnot. But figured, hey, let's go ahead and take the stupid duty. I mean, you can see all around us, man, how much is coming down. It's pretty crazy. Actually, I think I'm gonna have to move the excursion a little bit forward so that we can get the stupid duty out of here. So let me go ahead and do that real quick then.
How many inches is this? A million?
All right. Do you think you can get up there without the ladder? Nova, do you want to get up there? Come on. Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. Can you... So what I do is I grab the handle there.
I can't even reach the handle.
Sure you can. Grab the handle, put your foot on the post there, and then we'll give you the old heave too.
I can't even grab the handle!
So you got it right there. Good job.
Are you kidding me? I can't reach it!
Okay. We need to work on some steps for the stupid duty. That's not going to be an option that we can do right there. All right.
There's the ladder.
Beautiful, sad ladder.
All right. Okay. Here we go. You might want to put it closer.
Did you land on that?
Babe, you got the ladder pretty far away.
I gotta grab the handle, you told me.
Come on, Megan. Get in. Oh,
All right. Good job.
I'm not getting out now.
Sure. We'll bring the ladder with us, okay? There we go. I know a lot of people have been asking, how do I get up in it? And it's really not too hard. Ah, there we go.
Well, if you can reach the handle.
Yeah.
I don't know what we're doing.
I'm gonna have to clear snow off the windshield.
How do we make the...
We're still recording, keep it going.
No, I just want to make sure you're in frame.
All right, I'm gonna go clean some snow off the windshield because the wipers can't have to go.
well, that's one way to do it. Right?
Yeah, that's the brush that we that we use to wash the trucks.
Makes sense.
It's the only thing with like the longest handle.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Huh? You're gonna do it again, huh?
Yeah, because you didn't do enough.
Ah. Oh, jeez. Jumping in and out of this thing, it's gonna make me skinny and no longer fat. Oh, really?
No, I want the ladder. Thanks.
There you go.
I wanted to be brave. Ow. Ow.
All right, we're gonna head to the market, go get our shopping done. I want some Doritos. I want some of the spicy.
You want some spicy nacho?
No, these things.
Oh.
These are my jam. Huh? Oh. Cold day, chili cheese dip. That sounds real good.
We have cream cheese at home, right?
Do we have cream cheese at home?
I think so.
All right. So I'll go grab the chili real quick then. Turkey. Yeah. We don't need any other drinks or anything like that. We've got ice cream. We don't need any of that.
Yeah, no, we have the stuff.
Or do you want different ice cream?
Yeah.
Mountain huckleberry or huckleberry?
Actually, that doesn't sound so bad.
Yeah, you want to do that? All right.
Yeah, that was for me.
I gotcha. I gotta call it quits on this one.
So this one and that.
Venom and Spider-Man?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, great. Serum?
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's coming down quite a bit. Whoa. Yeah? Oh, get up Mama's ladder.
Yeah.
All right, you good?
But, yeah.
All right. You got it, Seth?
I think so.
All right, good to go. That is great. When your wife has to use a ladder to get inside your truck. Ready to head home?
Yep.
I'm ready to go home.
All right.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Is the other thing going now?
What thing?
The front camera.
Not yet. Now it is.
Okay.
You bunch of crazies, huh? All right, we made it back home. Successful trip. Got to get Mom out of the truck real quick. Let's go ahead and get out that ladder one more time.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? Here. Give me the ladder there, buddy.
Yeah. Oh, just make it.
Really? Melissa, you're going to try to do it and I can't record it? Huh? Are you actually going to do this?
I don't think so. I want to so bad.
Can I throw snowballs at you?
No! I'm not 40.
I love you.
I'm not over 40. I can do this. Okay.
There you go.
Ah, why you do that?
Do what?
How are you supposed to? You're gonna make me eat shit on the ladder.
Did I put it too close?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Ow.
Are you okay?
All right, guys. You have a wonderful one. We got to do a little bit more trimming, a couple more things to the truck here. It'll be ready to go, but you all have a good one. We'll talk to you later.